Hey there, welcome back to the People Gardener podcast. Hope everyone had a great week. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram or even Facebook, actually, I put out a request for people to share their favorite pizza topping combos. And I've been thinking about this and leadership, and just stick with me here and I'll work on this metaphor to help you understand how important it is that you know your people. So I started getting all these very interesting combinations. Some, my initial reaction was, ooh, that sounds good. And then others would be, there's no way I'm putting that on my pizza, because my personal palate didn't like some of the ingredients. And so here we've got the pizza oven outside, and every week we're doing the pizzas. And it's so easy to get stuck in a rut and just build the pizzas that you know you're going to like, instead of, as the host and hostess, creating pizza combinations that will delight the guest's palate. So I got thinking about just how important it is, and I might have talked about this before, how important it is that you know your people and what it is they like and what it is they don't like. Now, I'm not talking food, but it's like the pizza. If you were to spread out the dough and you put your pizza sauce on it, and then you actually asked people, what would you like on your pizza? What is it that you want to taste, want to experience in this pizza? And that's like welcoming somebody into your business. Here we are, that's the dough, right? I know, usually I'm talking about gardens and plants, but let's go with another analogy, metaphor. So you have created the foundation, which is the dough. But then you've got to talk to them. You have to create situations where you invite them to share what it is that they like, what they don't like, what excites them, what maybe intimidates them or scares them, so that you're creating this personal pizza. You know, most restaurants, you can order the small, personal ones, and it's just for you, and it's what you like, and it's what you want. Well, that's what you're trying to do inside your business, creating something that is specific to them. And I know, you might be sitting there going, whoa, that's a whole lot of work. All these personal pizzas, I got 8 or 10 employees, and now I've got to come up with 10 personal pizzas. Well, here's the thing. You're not doing that all on your own. Yes, you have created the dough. You've created the pizza base, but they are supplying you with the information of what they want on top of it. And if you just open up and talk to them, it is much easier and simpler than you're making it out to be in your head. You want to marry the tasks that people are doing with the skills that they have and what it is that they're really good at, so that you can create this personal pizza and it satisfies them and they're excited to consume it, and so they're effective in their job. Is this making any sense? Like, as I was going in my head before I hit the record button, it's like, okay, yeah, I can make a case for this. Oh man, we humans, we are so simple and so complicated at the same time. There is no one size fits all in a team of raving fans. There is no one size fits all in a productive team. Every single person is honed in on what they're really good at and they're working at maximum productivity, maximum capacity, maximum enjoyment. That's where you want your people to live. You can't do that with mass production, with, okay, everybody, this is how we're doing it. When you have such diversity in people, personalities, skills, attitudes, I mean, everything. There's so many variables. But that's the exciting part, is that you can create these unique personal experiences. And when you do that, when you take the time, when you are interested in making sure that they have this fabulous experience, that's when the raving fan emerges, and that's when you know more freedom in your business. That's when you know more profit in your business, because the productivity is through the roof. You know, when you go to a restaurant, typically the owner of the restaurant, the manager, whoever's running it, their goal is that you have a great experience. A great experience to me is different than a great experience to you. Would you agree? Yeah, we're different people. It's the same as a business owner with every single employee that you have. You want to create this experience for them where they leave at the end of the day, the week, the month, the years, and they feel good about what they've experienced. They feel included. They feel listened to. They feel heard. And you know, I keep going over and over and over the same thing, but that is the reality. It is the same thing. It doesn't change. The needs, the basic needs of human doesn't change. We want to be seen. We want to be heard, and we want to be appreciated. We want to belong. We want to know that we matter. And one of the ways that you can do this, let's get back to the pizza, is by creating these personal pizzas. I know it sounds strange talking about pizzas instead of gardens, but I don't know. I'm just on this pizza kick because we got the pizza oven going. Don't shy away from personalizing the experience of every single person in your business. Now, I know some people, they're concerned about that because it might be favoritism or it might look this way. If the intent of your heart is to ensure that each person feels good about themselves and about the job they're doing, it'll be just fine. You don't have to worry that people are going to pick things apart. I encourage you, absolutely, get with your people, find out what they want on their pizza, what they would really like and enjoy. And in the process, you're going to find out all sorts of really interesting things about the people that you lead. And that is money in the bank. When you truly understand and know each person, because that gives you the information you need to make really solid decisions no matter what comes up, because you have that knowledge. So get out there this week and build some personal pizzas. And yeah, next week we'll probably be back on the gardening thing, but personal pizzas, not generic, not for the masses. And make sure what's going on those pizzas are things that light your employees up, that they want to consume and partake of. That's it for this week. We'll talk to you again next week.